how to download and install Coinbase crypto exchange app in mobile. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, locate Play Store app in your device and open it. Tap on this search icon, type Coinbase, and press enter. This is the right application with over 50 million plus downloads. Tap on it. Press install. Basically, Coinbase is a globally trusted cryptocurrency platform serving millions of users worldwide. It offers a wide range of services including crypto buying, selling, trading, and secure storage solutions. Coinbase is widely recognized for its user-friendly interface, strong security measures, and regulatory compliance, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. Once downloaded, it will be shown in your apps. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.